Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. Over the last couple months, Ross and I have been doing our Thirsty Thursday episodes from Zoom conference. But since we're a little bit further along and we're in the same family bubble, we decided that we'll get together and do an episode of Thirsty Thursday. So, what are we making this week, Ross?
Today's drink is called the Hop Toad. You're probably not going to find it on the menu at most lounges in Saskatoon. The Hop Toad was invented at the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York, and it uses rum and it uses Apricot Brandy. So we're going to put in 3.5 ounces of rum, of a dark rum, and then we're going to put in 2 ounces of Apricot Brandy, and of course this is for 2 drinks. And then we're going to put in 1.5 ounces of lime, and then an ounce of mineral water.
Mineral water.
This is actually tap water, but
It's mineral.
there's probably minerals in it somewhere. And now Jamie's going to shake it over ice, and we're going to pour it in these exquisite glasses we've got here. Exquisite. And I'm going to touch my garnish, and Jamie's going to touch his. There we go. Let's give the Hop Toad a shot.
I don't know.
This is leaking.
No, the name of this drink just does not have.
I know.
And the ingredients in this drink are
All right, let's
questionable.
It doesn't help that we're probably not using, this is a Tahitian rum. Tahiti's known for beaches and blue ocean, probably not rum. But we're going to give it a shot.
Give it a go.
The old Hop Toad. I hate to burst your bubble, Jamie, but this kind of tastes like apple juice.
This is not good.
That's kind of gone bad on the counter.
Well,
we tried again.
No. Yeah.
No, let's go.
That's a pass for me.
Bad apple juice.
Well,
cheers, everyone.
try it if you like.